we're gonna see if we can get this this wheel off here. It wants to be a jack stand princess. Okay, so today is not gonna be the type of shop day that you think. No, today I am putting together a collection of tools because Buddy's Stealth broke down. He lost a CV axle and he just needs to get home. So I happen to have two brand new CV axles that are going to be going into this car and two old ones that might be able to get him home. So we're going to pack up some tools, head off to Saskatoon and see if we can't get Buddy back on the road. So we are bringing a complete array of tools here. We've got the M12, the M18 with the 12 battery, breaker bar, obviously the replacement CVX, and so I keep referring to, conveniently, I happen to have a car. So I gotta take this off for here, the ball joints, I'm gonna need a hammer, the sway bar, hopefully not the suspension because I don't want Cooper to need another alignment, but I'm referencing lots of these because I'm sure the parts will be similar in size, so instead of just willy-nilly grabbing a whole bunch of sockets, these should do. Trying to be a little bit more calculated about it. All right, we've got everything I can think of. Sockets, pry bars, hammer. We're not doing anything too crazy here. I'm just gonna have to grab a floor jack from over there. And I've got a spare change of clothes in the car so I don't get the Mazda all dirty. WD-40, some brake clean, a hammer, a pry bar, a breaker bar. I really think we're good here. We are off to the city. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I got a little distracted there. I was trying to leave town and a family friend was going for a walk and I found out that they have a new puppy. So I got briefly sidetracked by a puppy. We are on the road, we are clipping, making miles, and we're coming to get you. Ah, we made it. So Cooper's got this Stealth that he's been working on endlessly, like I've been working on my GTO. The CV axle broke on it today.
Yeah, blew right apart. Right coming out of the muffler shop after just spending a good chunk of money on that.
Yeah. That's how these cars are though, it seems. You just can't stop spending money on them.
Just wants to be a driveway princess or a automatic transmission princess.
It wants to be a jack stand princess or a lift princess.
How's my one inside look?
Oh, looks good.
Not bad for a rattle can, eh?
Yeah. All in time. Get her there. Figure it out.
It's tricky with these cars, especially coming down.
Those skirts are
coming down
so
into
bad.
These skirts, I don't know how you go about unwrapping that.
There's all these little crevices and stuff got to get done too. Or just spray those maybe and wrap the rest. Let's get the tools out of the Mazda and see if we can't just get this thing in the air and get this wheel off, get the CV off. Okay, breaker bar. Yup, charge pipes for my GTO. We picked those up from Tanner's today. What if we could get that that pin off? I guess we can just put the wheel on loosely. That's fine. It is getting dark, but we got the, the old CV axle is out. The other old CV axle is almost ready to go in. We've just got to get this lower control arm ball joint out. We got to stick the new old one back in there. Okay, wow, we've got it back together. This is the moment of truth here.
Does it roll?
Does it move under its own power? This thing just got a new exhaust. Ooh! She rolls! So was this
Got-
car green originally? Or what's
Yes,
this?
it was originally olive green.
Ah, that's a rare color.
Yeah, no, it's not a very pleasant color. Did you ever see that one that they had for both of our cars? That almost purple-looking color.
Like an amethyst purple.
Get that exhaust test here.
Yeah, we better give the exhaust a test. Yeah, these things sound so good. Sorry, what'd you say?
Like, you got fucked it up.
Yeah, no, we broke it. Right on.
That's a little quieter than I wanted that exhaust. But,
Oh.
you know.
What, you just got one of these on each
Dynamax,
side?
like the most mild and close to stock muffler you can possibly buy on a vehicle.
You trying to put gas in?
The GTO wing conversion.
Yeah. Cooper bought this wing from me because he needed the third brake light. Looks good.
Yeah.
It actually tripped me out when I pulled in because the tops of these corners don't reflect light very well, so that this area really looked like GTO tail end.
These same hood, like hood rear. What do you want to call this thing? The trunk. I guess we
trunk
could say.
lid, I guess?
The
Hatch
trunk
lid?
Hatch
I don't know, I
lid.
guess hatch.
Whatever it is, there was already pre-made holes for this. I lost the screw.
Uh-oh.
There was pre-made holes for the actual
Huh.
place for it to perfectly line up.
So you didn't
And
have
I'm
to
not
drill
sure-
anything?
I didn't. Well, I mean, obviously I had to drill into it, but there was like a set hole for it.
Huh.
On these,
It's like they knew.
On the GTOs, did these match perfectly up a line with this?
No, there's space there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
figured.
Yeah.
Well,
I think it'd be really cool if you were able to make some sort of, because this is an aero wing.
yeah, and it
I
is
think
a
it'd be
little
really
wobbly.
cool.
And maybe at some high speed, I don't want to go up on it.